Hi everyone, today we'll see the analysis for 7th June and a plan for the 8th June. If you see today CPR opened below the previous day CPR which indicates some negative sign, but there is a good breakout happened. So this is the breakout so which we have seen. So yesterday there was a good breakout and given a very good rally in last half an hour. So we have a chance that last half an hour what is the trend that can be we can expect that the last half an hour trend in the next day either till half of the day. So even though market opened the gap up, entire half of the day it stayed in a range. So this is the range it stayed. So between and also market opened above R1, so which indicates some positive sign, because if it won't break R1 then it will be a trending day. So this has happened, and break in R2 and R3 went for the target for R3. So if you see after first candle, so multiple times it taken a support here. This is the place multiple times it taken a support, where I have expected that we can go for a long by taking a very this low second candle low as a SL. So even if taken early and then after a lot half an hour I it hit my SL, but premium is not decayed because it's in a range bound. So market is not able to decide which side to go, even though if it is in range bound, but I didn't get a much premium fall. So it hit immediately hit my SL. After that it given a 915 whatever the candle it is formed, it has given a high breakout here with a good volume. So after that it taken a good retest, so here I have entered. So I mean, not at retest, I have entered after immediately breakout, so we could enter at retest also, which helps us to get a more confidence and get in a good lots. So if we are not confident, we used to take a less number of lots. If you are confident, we used to go with the quantity of the lots we can increase. So this is the place I have entered, and it taken a retest and given a good profit, where I have exited exactly around 255, because 3 o'clock candle we could not expect whether it will be a reversal sign or whether it is a positive sign. So this is the way Nifty is followed, but not in the case of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty opened a gap up, but it came for a retest of previous day zone, where it has given a good breakout, where it formed a double bottom and then moved a good breakout. So if you see here, it touched the CPR, but not in the case of Nifty. Nifty is a highly positive when compared to Bank Nifty. It didn't even touch the CPR, which have a virgin CPR concept involved here. So we may chance that whether in next coming days we can touch this zone and then go to next levels. So if you see here, let us see it in a longer time frame for tomorrow's plan. On a daily analysis, if you see from past 1 week or 2 weeks, it is there in a single range. So this range has been broken and market is almost recent highs. So if it crosses around next 200 point, then it will be a all time high in a Nifty. So this is a very good breakout and with a very big volume. So we can expect some positive momentum or consolidation momentum in coming days, and then reach the next recent highs or all time highs. So when it comes to Bank Nifty is still it in a range, but range with a strong lower price rejection, like a hammer it is formed. So it formed a hammer. Let me delete this. So it formed a hammer here. So which might gap down or gap up, might pull this range has to broke to next levels. Let us see it in the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, if you see here in Bank Nifty, so yesterday also 15 minutes trend line has been broken and stayed above the previous 15 minutes trend line. Today also, even if it is opened above the gap up, even if it comes for a retest, this is the place exactly where it has taken a support, a two times support, and then closed about 15 minutes range. So if it opens on a flat or gap down opening, if it crosses this 42,200 to 280, then we can expect the target around 500, 44,500. If it opens a gap down, we have an immediate resistance of 44,200 and then immediately 44,000. So 44,000 now acting as a very good resistance, where 200 EMA also taking a support, and here today's W pattern is taking support of 50 EMA. So there is a multiple supports are there in this pattern. When it comes to a Nifty, as tomorrow is a weekly expiry, so if you see here, it's like a straight line, it's stretched too much with not a without consolidation, but here there is a good consolidation of more than half of the day. it got consolidated and then given a good breakout. So if it opens on a flat note and make a price action, and then if it moves, breaks today's closing, then we can expect a target around 17,800 and then 850. If it breaks at lower side opening gap down, then we can have a immediate resist support around 18,660 and 650, and then immediately 600. So we tomorrow having a RBI policy announcement, so we can expect some range bound momentum till 10:30, and then we can go ahead with the one sided momentum based on the news. But market will be too volatile tomorrow. Based on that, we have to trade cautiously. Thank you.